Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on LG Q70 device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store application, and at the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing. After that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, then tap to OK and go back. After that, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So the process is finished. Just let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as they all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.